What's up, y'all? We're back at it again, and today we're going to be talking about what it's been like just moving in, getting things organized. We're about 95% finished, but I wanted to walk through just the organizing, the putting together. So let's get started. Let me tell you about what I've done in the room so far. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is show you what the empty room looks like, just so that we can kind of have an idea of the before and after. Pretty straightforward bedroom. So the first thing that I did was I actually saw these videos on YouTube and photos of people using pallets as their bed frame. I sleep on a Japanese floor mat and thought this would look really cool, aesthetically speaking. So I got some pallets from a friend, sanded down, and brought it into the room. After bringing it into the room, I just placed it down to figure out where I wanted it to be. Right here is my rug. From there, I threw the mat on top of the pallet, and honestly, I thought it was going to look really cool, but it just wasn't what I thought it was going to look. And also the feeling of it, almost instantly from laying down, I knew automatically that it wasn't going to work. The mat was too thin, and I really felt the boards of the pallet through the mat. And I know what you're thinking, duh John, of course. The next day actually came and I reorganized a little bit, also brought in the TV and the console stand that I used for that, but I reorganized it because I thought this looked a little better. From there I bought a foam mattress off of Amazon. It was around $300. 12 inches thick, which definitely beats the 3-inch thickness from the floor mat I was previously sleeping on. So from there, after just taking it out of its wrap, I threw it onto the pallets. It said it would take about 72 hours to de-inflate. While I was waiting, I started putting together the love seat that I had. Pretty straightforward. It's from IKEA. The couch was very simple to put together, so I'm doing that right here. The screws, got the legs, putting it into place. And one aesthetic thing that you should always do that I found out on YouTube is always put your couches on top of the rug, at least the first front of it. From there I put in the cushions, and from there we're pretty set with the couch. Thought it looks nice. The next piece was the setup. Obviously you have to have the setup. I didn't show me putting this together because I recently did a video of what my setup looks like. Go ahead and check that out if you desire. We have the chair and pretty much the room's coming together. From there I got my comforter and all my sheets off of Amazon once again. My aesthetic I was trying to go with is the black aesthetic. I put a couple of things under the pallets as storage. I have my cat little moving box and of course my mirror. From there going into the bathroom. The bathroom was pretty much straightforward. Got some black towels, some black mats. I have the litter box here and all of my facial and self-care things that I got going on. But for the most part, that is the room. That is what we set it up to be as, and I like it. I think it looks nice. There's a couple of art pieces I want to put up for sure, but for the most part, this is the room. Alright my friends, well that is the setup that I have going on in this room. You know, it's really fun to be able to play around with the layout because I know I can change it so many different ways. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. I do want to show you one more thing for any of those who stayed this far into the video. I want to show you the gamers mode of this room. I personally really like it. First thing I need to do for the gamers mode is close this. Then I need to turn off this light. Alexa, turn on all my lights. And that is it right there. This is the gamer mode of the room. If I'm streaming, which I haven't done in a while, but if I'm playing video games on Discord with the friends, this is how the room changes. This is the look, the feel of it. But hey, with that being said, my friends, once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, Be blessed and have a good day. Cheers.